Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ratu Bebaresa and my student number is 2341204 and welcome to this learning video. And today we will discuss fraud in corporate governance. Fraud is one of the biggest threat to organization because it can declare trust, damage reputation, and create significant financial losses. In this lesson, we will explore the cause of fraud and the warning signaling organizations should recognize and importance of strong corporate governance in preventing and unethical behavior. Let's begin. Fraud refers to intentional acts of deception designed to obtain personal or organizational benefit of the expense of others. In corporate governance, fraud often occurs when oversight, mismanagement, and external standards are ignored. Understanding fraud is important because profiting is help organizations maintain trust, accountability, and long-term sustainability. The cost of compromise. The consequences of fraud go far beyond financial losses. Corporate fraud and discredit the investor confidence, reduce shareholder value, and damages company reputation, and strong governance suffers. As the primary difference against unethical behavior by establishing accountability and oversight. Fraud is rare because by a single individual; in most cases, it reflects leadership failures, weak organizational culture, and inflation monitoring system. This is why governance is essential for protecting organization and stockholders. Anatomy of the annual collapses. And one of the most prominent examples of corporate fraud is the Enron scandal. Enron was once one of the largest energy companies in the United States. However, they executed and used corporate financial structure to hide large amounts for the Bitcoin investors and regulation. As a result, the company's financial condition remained high until the fund was exposed. The scandal also revealed conflict of interest including the company auditor. This case demonstrates how weak governance and unethical leadership can lead to lurking of the even low-level organization. Next, major strategy of fraud. There are several major types of corporate fraud. The first is financial reporting. Fraud, which is international manipulation, financial statement to mislead stockholder. The second is misproposition of asset, which is included embezzlement or unauthorial use of company resources. The third is insider trading, where individual uses confidential information to gain an unfair advantage in financial market. Understanding this category help organizations develop more effective reputation and decision strategies. The fourth triangle. Do you understand why fraud occurs? We can use fraud triangle model. The first element is motivation or percentage might include financial defection, performance expectation, or personal gain. The second element is rationalizable. Individuals often distinguish initial action by confident how selfish their behavior is acceptable. The third element is opportunity, which is access when internal control and supervision are weak. When motivation, rationalization, and opportunity come together to like hold fraud inspire significantly. And next, governor reflex. An organization should be aware of several warning signs in the mind in the key areas of fraud. One red flag is the concentration of power in single executive control to manage important decision. Another warning is second in weak board oversight where direction fail to challenge management effectively. Complex transaction that lack transparency can also be indicate hidden risks. In addition, expressive pressure to achieve short-term financial target might also skill behavior. Reduce need this warning sign and ensure for effective governance. The regulation response in response to major corruption scandal use as and work from the United States introduced and Sarbanes-Oxley Act of 2002. This legislation strengthens corporate accountability and financial reporting requirements. It requires companies to maintain effective internal control and ensure great auditor independence. The law inscribes the role of auditing committee in overseeing financial reporting. As a result, corporate governance standard becomes significantly strong. And next, building a culture of transparency, preventing fraud, regulating multiple rules and regulation. Organization must create a culture of transparency and ethical behavior. Leaders should demonstrate integrity through these action and decision. Companies should also treat all stakeholders fairly, including employees, customers, suppliers, and communities. In addition, effective monitoring system and can help identify problems before they become serious scandal. And transparency and transparent cultures have been throughout organization. And next, profiting and direction. Effect professional regulate a multi-layered approach. Technology is such data analysis and artificial intelligence can help data unusual transaction and supervision activities. Organizations should also provide grow with flow mechanism and allow employees to report contract anonymously. Mostly important companies should create a culture that rewards honesty and ethical behavior rather than focus only on short-term financial return. Together, these measures help reduce fraud significantly. The future of governance, as business continue to evolve, corporate governance must evolve as well. Future governance systems should focus on their key principles. The first is accountability, ensuring that responsibility are clearly defined. The second is integrity, which is meant doing the right thing even when one is watching. The third is transparency, which is promote open communication and building stakeholder trust. Organizations that embrace this principally will be better prepared for future challenges. To consolation and fraud responder answers that organization, investor, and success seal. Strong corporate governance, effective internal control, and technical leadership and transparent organization culture are essential for proving fraud. By promoting accountability, integrity, and transparency, company and protect stockholder trust and achieve strong long-term success. Thank you for watching this learning video. I hope the lesson help you understand the importance of profiting and corporate governance. See you in the next video. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.